kude mung'eyo kako timo. Kwa dhi mbele ni apisas magarita koro rido kanda mar kedo gi kong'o ma ok opuodhi chula ma nam lolwe mayudore county ma Homa Bay. County Commissioner ma Homa Bay Moses Lilan owacho ni tend county no oseyango kuonde ma jo ohala mag kong'o go time wandgi kendo gitiyo gi chula ma kanyakla kod rode mamoko e rwako mwandugo ma ok opuodhi kowuok e pinje malibamba. Omedo ni jogo ma ibiro yudi ibiro kawnegi okang' mager.
We are launching a mass operation crackdown on alcohol, illicit alcohol. Nationally, of course, our principal secretary, the IG, the cabinet secretary, they have already given a directive on the need to ensure that we pacify our areas, ensure law and order by removing all this illicit brews, working on the second generation brews, and also the contraband alcohol that have come into our areas. If there will be need to license or permit some of these activities, they must be permitted within the confines of the regulations that govern public order. We want also them to be permitted within, the law.